Hey everybody, it's Josh from the Underground Garage. Just got some old footage here of me mounting the ECU in the car and finishing up the wiring on it. So just a quick video kind of showing what I did there. Back on the Fox today, 93 Mustang. It's a twin turbo LS deal. Got a Terminator X ECM. I'm gonna mount in the car. I'm gonna mount it where the factory PCM went, in the passenger side kick panel up in the front. So this is how I'm going to do it. I made this little bracket and not much to it. It's just a 1/4 inch thick piece of plexiglass. And I'll show you guys how it goes in. I'm going to bring the camera in from outside the car so you can kind of orientate yourself to where we're at and where we're working in the car. There it is. Sturdy in there, all good. These two bolts right here, that one right there, and that one right there, those are actually the two hinge bolts for the hinge for the door. And so I took them out and I just put longer ones in so that they would stick through my piece of plexiglass, so I had something to bolt it to. And this is just a quick time lapse of me finishing up some wiring in the car.